Dubai Marina. Step into a world where dreams touch the sky, where modernity meets luxury, and where the allure of the waterfront beckons. Welcome to Dubai Marina, an extraordinary waterfront community nestled along the azure shores of the Persian Gulf. This captivating masterpiece of urban development has captured the hearts of residents and visitors alike, becoming a quintessential symbol of opulence and architectural grandeur in the magnificent city of Dubai. The Dubai Marina Iconic District, which was developed by Emaar Properties, has redefined the concept of modern living and captivated the world with its dazzling skyline, world-class amenities, and luxurious lifestyle. At the heart of Dubai Marina lies the vibrant Marina Walk, a bustling promenade that winds its way along the waterfront. As you stroll along this picturesque pathway, a symphony of colors, sounds, and aromas fills the air. Chic cafes, stylish restaurants, and trendy boutiques line the walkway, offering a kaleidoscope of culinary delights, fashion, and entertainment. The tantalizing scent of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the invigorating sea breeze, creating an intoxicating sensory experience. Culinary delights abound, with an array of gourmet restaurants and cafes offering a diverse range of cuisines to satisfy every palate. Ever wondered what it feels like to stroll along the Dubai Marina neighborhood? The secrets of Dubai Marina. 1. Location. Dubai Marina is situated on the Persian Gulf shoreline, stretching along a 3-kilometer (1.9-mile) artificial canal. 2. Development. The construction of Dubai Marina began in 2003 and was completed in 2008. It was developed by Emaar Properties, a leading real estate developer in the UAE. 3. Architecture. The marina features a stunning skyline adorned with towering skyscrapers and futuristic architecture. The buildings comprise residential towers, hotels, and commercial spaces, all designed to offer a luxurious and modern lifestyle. 4. Waterfront promenade. Dubai Marina is known for its picturesque waterfront promenade, which is a popular spot for residents and visitors. The promenade is lined with restaurants, cafes, and shops, offering a wide range of dining and entertainment options. 5. Marina Walk. The Marina Walk is a pedestrian-friendly pathway that runs alongside the water canal. It provides stunning views of the yachts, luxury boats, and the surrounding buildings. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll, rent a bike, or simply relax in one of the many outdoor seating areas. 6. Yacht Club. Dubai Marina Yacht Club is an exclusive marina that offers berthing facilities for private yachts and boats. It also features a range of dining options, a clubhouse, and hosts various nautical events throughout the year. 7. Jumeirah Beach Residence, JBR, located within Dubai Marina. JBR is a popular residential and tourist destination. It features a beautiful beachfront with a promenade lined with shops, cafes, and entertainment venues. JBR offers a vibrant atmosphere with numerous recreational activities,